Welcome to Infinite Light Journey Tarot. And how are you all? I hope you are doing good. So this reading will be about a short answer regarding why are you feeling a certain way. Okay, so I just thought of doing this reading. I don't know, there may be some reason. You may be trying to find some answers, like if you are feeling sad in some situation, or if you are feeling happy, or whatever emotion you are going through right now. Okay, it can be anything. You just need to focus on your question and just pick a pile from here. So I will be giving you first the reason card, that what is happening within you, that is the reason that you are going through this thing, or and then I will give you the advice also, that what you can do next and what will be the next thing happening. Okay, and the angels answers also. So yeah, let's see what happens and what comes up. I have already picked cards intuitively to save time, so you can pick one option. This is group number 1 with the citrine crystal. This is group number 2 with the pyrite, and this is the group number 3 with the green aventurine. Okay, so just focus on your question, whatever you are feeling, main feeling that you have right now. Just focus on that thing and just pick a pile. And yeah, thank you so much guys for subscribing me my channel, and new visitors are welcome to subscribe if you like this video. Do share, comment also how you felt, and you can also book personal readings from me. I have given the details in the description section also. So yeah, I will start with the group number 1. Hello group number 1 who chose this citrine crystal. Let's see what's your message. This one I will be checking at the end. Let's see what's the reason. First, this card will tell us the reason. So we have the Two of Wands here firstly. So there is something that you the thing that you are feeling right now. The reason is that you want a future, you want to plan for your future ahead. Okay, you are thinking of doing something, broadening your horizons, or maybe shifting places, going to some country or place, like wherever you are right now, you feel like you need to go somewhere else from that place. Okay, leave this one thing behind and just move forward with the world at your hand. So yes, you have many options available, I feel, and you are thinking of moving. This is about movement, I feel, because there is water here, there are mountains in the background. Okay, so this is water also indicates emotions, and you are making some sort of planning, or there is some sort of decision or choice at your hand, and you are trying to decide like which one should I choose. Okay, that is why you are feeling something. But I feel that this may be a balanced decision, but you need to you are, I think, choosing one of the options. Okay, I do see that you are choosing one thing and leaving something behind. Okay, so yeah, that is like there, and this is fire energy, so that may be a quick thing to do, or you may be required to take this action quickly. Okay, in days times or in weeks time. So let's see what else we have. Okay, we have 39 number, fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel. So we have this trumpet, and there is throat chakra energy involved here. There is communication. So yes, I think whatever you are thinking about or feeling, it involves communication or a communication project with someone. Okay, you may be waiting for someone's communication also, I feel. For some of you, I feel there is a telepathic communication that you have with some person. Okay, that can be a person of your soul tribe, soul group, or friend, family member. Okay, so yes, you are getting I feel like you need to also communicate very clearly. Okay, what you want. You can you can connect with archangels, you can connect with your divine, whoever you believe in. You can ask them that how can I communicate my opinions, or whatever I want clearly to people, so that they can understand what I want to say. Definitely I see communication a big part here. Let's see what the angels want to tell you. Okay, we have hunter, track down your fears and desires. Okay, yeah, whatever thing you have at your hand, I think you desire something, you want something, definitely. So that desire can also be connected with your fears. Okay, that, like, suppose you have this desire of suppose locating somewhere else, moving somewhere, or doing something, but you're also fearful that what will happen if I go here, or if I if what will happen, the worst case scenarios also you are fearing about. But this is telling me that, like the hunter, okay, how hunters do, they track down their whatever they want to hunt, right? So you need to hunt your desires and fears also, which are holding you back. Okay, Your fears can be the obstacles to achieving your desires here. So you need to see what fear is surfacing in you right now, and whether that fear is actually a reality or just an illusion of the mind. Okay, so when you see that fear, you need to tell yourself, or give an affirmation to yourself that no, this fear is just keeping me down from my desires. It's not helping me, right? So you can do that thing, and then you can proceed with your desire, whatever you want to achieve. Okay, and let's see the advice for you here. We have dry desert. So yes, definitely there is some sort of you are, I think, you are just seeing the surface of things right now, or there is some sort of things are dried out right now in some area of your life, and you are just thinking whether how much more should I walk on this dry desert. There is no water, you can only see cactus and the sky and only desert, right? Number 31 may be important. So I feel in order to find water, the deserts have water deep down in the earth's, like deep down the sand layer. So first you need to dig deeper into yourself. Again, it goes with the hunter part, right? You need to go deeper into yourself, into your soul. Do some soul searching and meditation, I would say, uh, because this decision that you want to make, the plan that you are thinking about for the future, there is some sort of soul searching involved in that one, or some kind of meditation, or something like that. Okay, I feel like if this is about a relationship, or anything like that, if you are feeling like no, things are dried out, what's nothing is happening here, so why is that thing not happening? You need to do some soul searching at heart level also, what you feel from your heart, whether you feel good or bad. Okay, yeah. So this may be the reason, like you may be having a plan in place, that you are seeing a long-term vision of something, but that thing may not be happening right now. Okay, so that is the reason why you are feeling like which way should I go? All right. So firstly, what you are being told is that do some soul searching within yourself. Okay, and then you will be getting the water, the answers that you want. But first of all, you need to face your fears and track them down. Okay, you need to see the fear, that what fear is holding you back. Okay, if you need to communicate with someone, then do communicate clearly. Okay, be honest in your communication, and you may also receive communication from someone. We have four of cups here, so yes, I think universe is giving you something. Okay, but you are not seeing that. You are just seeing the three cups that you are not satisfied with, but there is an offer coming your way, I feel. This may be a surprise of sorts, like it may be coming your way, but you may not be able to see this right now. Okay, but you are feeling bored, and I feel like you are feeling bored. You are not talking much to people. um, you are not enjoying your time. Basically, you need to enjoy your time. Be a bit lighter on yourself also. Don't be harsh. Don't sit like this idly. I feel you are feeling very much bored and very very idle uh, in this planning mode also. Okay, so you are being told that yes, this offer, something may be coming your way. It may be a surprise or something that universe will give you, but you have to keep your mind open. Okay, only then you will be able to see this opportunity, only then you will be able to recognize this opportunity. All right, let's see what else I have for you. What else is the message for group number 1? Wow, we have the Empress, and we have the King of Swords, and Six of Pentacles. Okay. Uh, Again, this is about communication and logic. Okay, having an equal give and take of energies and balancing your energies. We have Page of Cups at the bottom of the deck. So this is like you may be wanting to communicate with someone, or you may be developing a feeling for someone, or expecting an apology from someone, or someone may be trying to reach out to you. They may be just having some sort of development or a friendly conversation, or um, the cups represent emotions, right? So this is also about your artistic side, your your creativity, your talents, what you can do through your emotions, through your heart, that you like. If you are if you are studying, or if you want to pursue a career or something like that, then yes, go with your heart, okay? Because again, we have the water here, right? So yes, there is some sort of deep emotional thing happening here, okay? And that is developing, that is on the starting stage. But here we have, again, we have the abundance here. This is so beautiful. See, we have this empress energy that represents abundance, creativity, the divine feminine energy, your own emotions, the mother earth helping you, you helping mother earth to heal. So yes, definitely there is some sort of healing and beauty and arts involved here. So there is an abundant time coming for you. You can be in this empress energy. You just need to follow your heart, okay? We have this communication from someone may be acting cold, or this may be you yourself, who is being like this cold hearted person. Not as I told you, you are feeling dried out, right? You don't feel emotions in your heart right now. You are gaining so much wisdom and intelligence. You have all the I think you have the spirit guides and spirit animals near you, who can be helping you, who may be sending you many signs. So just listen to those signs and just um, be in your power, okay? Be in your power. You will be in your power very very soon. There is abundance here, and we have six of pentacles, which is the equal give and take. The someone giving you what you deserve equally, not less, not more, and you also have to do the same. So this may be a job offer or some sort of money, or if in relationship you are expecting this thing, then yes, it may come. A very bright thing happening here. These three cards are very positive. So yes, something beautiful may happen. A time of richness, creativity, fertility. Even if you're expecting motherhood, then yes, there is a possibility here. But you need to first face your desires, as I told you. Just go within yourself, okay guys? So yeah, this is the reading that I have for you. I hope it helped you, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye. Hello, group number 2. Those who choose this pyrite stone, then let's see what your cards have to say. We'll see this at the end. This is the angels and ancestors answers for you, okay? Let's see. So we have Queen of Cups. Wow. Okay, so the answer is, why you feel this way, or why you have this thing in your mind, is because you feel very very emotionally attached to that thing, okay? You have unconditional love for that thing that you have in mind right now. It can be whatever situation you are asking about. It is deep emotions available. I mean, this is deep emotional queen, right? She is very intuitive, she is very giving, she is very loving. So you know how to give, okay? You are a very giving person. You have so much emotions deep down in yourself, that sometimes you may also feel overwhelmed. And this is like, you have deep love for something, okay? It may be a career or a person. That is the reason you feel this way. So the reason that you asked is your deep emotions and your heart is involved, okay? And you may be feeling intuitive that yes, you may be already knowing this thing intuitively, okay? I feel so. I think you are just confirming whether your intuition is right or not. So let's see what else we have. We have, oh my god, this is crazy. I told intuition, and we have the goddess of the moon. Yes, this is again, this goes so well with this one. You may be a strong water sign, I feel. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We have number 52 here. So yes, you are very intuitive, and you know it. You already know it, why you are feeling this way. So just don't doubt your intuition. You may be developing psychic abilities, okay? I feel, if this has to do with some career option or something else, or you want a spiritually based work, or you want to work on your spirituality, then yes, this is definitely confirming that there is something happening here, that is like um, helping you come in touch with your intuition also, okay? More, you may be coming in touch with your intuition right now, that may be a starting stage, or for some of you, you are already intuitive and you know that, okay, you may have a psychic gift, you may be, for some of you, I don't know, but you may be a healer or a tarot card reader yourself. All right. But if this is some other situation, then yes, definitely you know, you already know the answer. What else do I have to say? Wait, oh my god, this is crazy. What's happening, pile 2? Water Guardian, connect with your emotions. Wow, this is so beautiful. Blue color, it's all blue here. Just look at this spread. Wow, I love this. We have a blue, we have this water, we have this water here also, the moon's energy, and we have the Water Guardian herself. This is so synchronistic, guys. I mean, what else should I say? I'm speechless right now. So, the Water Guardian is here to tell you that you need to connect with your emotions more. You need to see what you are feeling right now in this particular question that you have asked. I think for some of you, you may not be connecting with your emotions more. Okay, so that is the reason the Water Guardian is telling you to connect with your emotions also. You may be uh, seeing things from a logical perspective, but I think, yeah, like, you need to connect with your emotions, your heart, what your intuitive and psychic side is, what your gut feeling is telling you. Okay, that may be a right thing to do. So you can connect with your emotions by just meditating and relaxing a bit. Spend time near water if you feel like, or in nature, or drink a lots of water, connect with Mother Earth. Okay, I would suggest you that. Let's see the advice. We have healed the ouch. Wow, yes, 38. I told you that there is some. You may be a healer, or someone is a healer. Okay, you are or someone is a doctor, or in that field, who helps people heal and give remedies to people. So, here this card tells you that whatever problem you are facing, you need to heal that thing. It can be a relationship, I feel. For some of you, I feel there's a relationship here involved that needs healing. Okay, there is a reconciliation or something, some fight, some argument if happened, then you need to forgive the person, and you need to also ask for forgiveness. Okay, this is the advice for you, that do the necessary healing that is required in this situation. Okay, yeah, a healing is needed and healing is available also for you, so you can ask your angels also, divine, whoever you believe in, they will help you heal. They will help you, forgiveness and reconciliation. If you want, you can do that Ho'oponopono prayer and see what we have. Wow, we have the Wheel of Fortune. This is so powerful, such a powerful reading. I mean, the wheel is turning in your favor, your karmic cycle. I think there is a cycle here that is ending and a new cycle beginning here. Okay, so things will not remain the same as you are in right now. If you're feeling stuck, then you will not be stuck forever. Okay, the wheel is turning and it is a fortunate time coming your way. So just grab it. This is big time destiny, I feel, for many of you. A destiny is unfolding as it has to be naturally. So um, just trust your intuition in this time. Okay, trust your guides, trust the divine, and just make a wish and pray. Okay, just do that, because this is beautiful. I just feel so nice in this pile. I don't know why I get that the moon's vibe. I don't know, during the next new moon cycle, something may happen. This wheel, or the 10th of December, or we have a new moon and solar eclipse on the 4th of December. So if you're reading this, seeing this reading before or during that time, then yes, that time may be helpful for you. Or a water season sign. Okay, I feel like next Pisces season, or yeah, we have the next Pisces season, so that will be in the next year. All right, let's see what else I have for you, group number 2. Let's see what else. We have the 7 of Cups, we have the Page of Cups, and the 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, so you will be getting busier, I guess, with time. Okay, there will be many things at your plate, You may be involved in your work, in your home life. You may be busy and you just may be focusing on your work and your studies, or whatever you are focusing on. I see you focused, but sometimes you may feel a bit confused, like you may have some options to choose from, and you will be like, which way should I go or which option should I choose? Okay, so I would just say, choose from your heart, okay, because your heart will be your main guidance compass that we say, right? Your heart is very very I feel like it is helping you a lot. So just listen to your heart and your intuition, and you are getting the success and the rewards of your hard work, okay? So don't worry. You may be receiving some messages, some sweet messages. Again, we have blue color here. So you may be getting an apology or some sweet messages from someone, or you may have or a offer, a small offer of sorts, if you're looking in studies or in your career, or just if you are studying, then yes, I see that you will be focused on your studies, but sometime you may be distracted, okay? So just keep in mind that don't get distracted too much. Just focus on one thing at a time, okay? And you are all set to do your work. You may be creating some works of art, or some candles. I see candles, and journaling and something like that, working with flowers or doing something like rituals. And also, yeah, all those things will help you, okay? And we have the bottom is Six of Wands, your victory, your spotlight, people recognizing you, going after your passion basically. So just work, whatever you feel like doing, just do that. And that may be a passionate passion for you, okay? Your passion may be involved here big time. So yeah, this is the reading that I have for you, group number 2. I hope it helped, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hello, group 3, those who chose this green aventurine crystal. Let's see what we have for you. So firstly, I will see this card we have is the Hermit. Okay, so the reason being you are feeling this way, or whatever is happening, what question you asked, the reason is that there is some sort of soul searching needed here, okay? There is a kind of learning involved here. um, you are a bit alone, I feel. You are doing some self reflection, or this is a time of meditation for you, because meditation will give you answer. The Hermit is very intelligent, very very wise, okay? See, we have this hermit on his journey alone, okay? There is no one, and he has matured so much on his journey that after learning the lessons, he can actually guide others. He can be a beacon of light for others, right? So whatever you're going through, whatever your question, it involves great learning. This may be a learning time for you. Some lessons, some life lessons, some soul lessons that you signed up for, before coming here on earth. And that may be the reason why you are required to do this soul searching, okay? Because later you can also help others in this manner. All right, so yeah, you are required to do some soul searching. Let's see what else we have for you. You may be feeling a bit alone, and that is the reason why you are feeling alone, because there is some soul searching, some truth that you need to see within yourself, okay? Let's see. Wow, we have caring connections, so this may be about some partnership or love life, I feel. You may be inquiring about a person. uh, so yes, if this is I mean, we have clear answer here because we have this card, so you can clearly see that you have a caring connection in your life. But I guess in order to manifest something beautiful ahead, you need to do some soul searching, okay? If you are asking like why I feel this way, or why I feel so much drawn to this person, then yes, do some soul searching, look into your heart why you feel this way, and you will know the answer. Like, there is a beautiful connection here that you have in your life. This may be a soulmate, soulmate kind of energy here, I feel. But this can also be a friend, okay? This can also be a friend, family member. It's just not limited to romance. But yeah, mainly I feel it is related to romance a bit, okay? Let's see. We have Air Guardian, shift your perception. Okay, so yes, definitely. With the Hermit card, we can see that you need to reflect and just shift at how you look at things, okay? Whatever you are perceiving about some person, that may not be the case actually. That person may be totally different than you think, or you are like looking at someone from an angle of judgment or past belief systems or past hurts you had with someone. You need to actually shift it. There is shift, there is movement. This air energy is about your mind, about your logic, and having a broader and wider perspective on something, looking at things from a higher perspective. Okay, so yeah, your mind may be a bit wavering right now, like you may be thinking many things at a time. Okay, I feel, and that is the reason you need to do this soul searching and meditation. You will have all the answers within yourself. Okay, yeah, let's see the advice for you. We have one ring, circus number 15. Okay, so this card tells me that you are capable, you are competent enough to do this thing, whatever you are asking about. Okay, whatever question or whatever you are feeling, you can do this. You don't need anyone else. You are very, very independent. You are this queen or king of your life. Okay, and you also need to set some boundaries in your life with some people. If you feel like someone is draining your energy, or there is a toxicity, but you can't see that toxicity right now. I don't know why, but yeah, for some of you this may be a message that sometimes there are people who just behave good on our faces, but then they don't see us in that good light behind our backs, or within themselves they are a complete different person. So I don't know, but you need to set some boundaries with someone. And you if you are asking about some project or something like that, then yes, definitely you can trust yourself. You are confident. You need some confidence. Okay, basically, because I feel like if this is a job or career question, then yes, there is confidence needed in yourself, and that may involve a bit of soul searching, that why you want to go a certain path, or you want to choose a specific career, or um, there may be some sort of alone time involved here. Okay, because we have this hermit and we have this wandering circus. So I think for time being you need to do things on your own, because you need to understand and see yourself growing by yourself. Okay, you definitely you can do this alone. You can take help also from someone, but the maximum part, the maximum work that you need to do is by yourself. All right, and then things will start shifting. Okay, but there is some lesson here, so yes, you need to learn something. Let's see what else we have. I will also draw out additional cards for you. Yes, we have the Fool. Wow. So this is you starting a new chapter, starting a new adventure of your life in the next I don't know, this is about Aquarius season. We have you may be an Aquarius or a air and or a earth sign, I feel. But this is like just taking the big leap of faith in the direction that divine will help you. Okay, whatever you feel like doing, just this is the Fool is like ready to jump from here, knowing that yes, divine will help him. Okay, going on an adventure, taking this new job opportunity, or whatever you feel it's is presented here. There is beautiful sun. It's very, very yellow background. We have this dog. There is a loyalty here. Some friend or someone may be helping you. Okay, so this is again, the Fool is a loner card, right? So some time alone, I think some new chapter is opening in your life, and this may require you to take a leap of faith and surrender also to the divine. Okay, yeah, this is a new journey. I think this journey will be having its own new lessons for you. Okay, so I feel like you need to be ready. Let's see what else we have for you, group number 3. We have 6 of Swords. Oh my god, we have the Fool again. This is crazy. Amazing synchronicity, guys. Yeah, you are feeling a bit trapped, and this is your own illusion. This is your own mind. You are not actually trapped here. See, this girl is not trapped. She's just looking in the mirror, and this is just an illusion that you are trapped. This is your mind trapping you. But You can take this leap of faith, and this is coming your way actually, because I asked the question and that is the answer, that you are moving somewhere. This is about movement. This is like shifting somewhere, relocating, moving places, or just traveling somewhere. And I see you taking a leap of faith in this direction. Okay, I feel like you will be taking a leap of faith, because this is a new spiritual experience for you. Okay, and you are just ready to make this jump. You are believing the divine and you are ready. Okay, you are saying that yes, I am ready. And yeah, for some of you, um, this can indicate someone coming in your life. Okay, this can also be that way, or this is like you moving somewhere, and then completely a new person, or you may meet a new person, or this may be a new job for you. So whatever resonates for you, just take it that way. Okay, so yeah guys, this was your reading. I hope it resonated. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.